Hi friends, it's been a while. I have come and given my speech on the recording. Today we are going to cover a very interesting topic. Okay, this topic is something which we all need to practice, which we all need to put in place to do something good in our life. Okay, so now I was reading this book called The Greatest Salesman in the World. I think you also should read that book. Read this book. It's a 14 million copy sold worldwide. It's a very interesting book. Okay, the narrator, the storyteller, tells the story in a beautiful way. Okay, anyways, you should read that book. That's the book which I would recommend you for this week. So, one of the topic which I today want to discuss is about habits. Okay, so you have to think for yourself if you have good or bad habits. What do you carry with you? Okay, for yourself, good habits or bad habits. Okay, habits are something which you do every day. Okay, and eventually turn out to be a habit. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to make a bad habit that you do every day and make it a habit, or you do something good and make it a good habit. Okay, so now habit is something so I'll tell you the formula behind habit. Okay, habit is something which you do that you don't like to do. Okay, so I was few weeks back I was reading an article on Warren Buffett and few of the other people, successful people, wealthy people. Okay, so there was this is also secret which has been said earlier, that successful people like to do what unsuccessful people don't like to do. For example, successful people like to get up in the morning and go for exercise. Unsuccessful people, I would say 97% of the world, would not like to do that. And the 3% of the world, which I mean successful percent of the world, or wealthy people in the world, okay, let me do this by 3% and the 93%, 97%, okay. So now 3% of the population, okay, they like to read books, okay, but the 97% of the world does not like to read books. So 3% of the world read books again and again and again and again, and they make it a habit of reading books and increasing their wisdom. But 97% of the world does not read books, does not read books, does not read books, and not reading a book becomes a habit. 3% of the world sleeps for 5 hours and he spends rest of the time doing some productive work. But 97% of the world come back from the office, they give a comfort to themselves saying that, okay, I have come from office, I've been traveling, I've been working a lot, now it's time for me to relax and watch television. And they watch television every day, they watch television every day. For 4 hours they watch, for 5 hours they watch, and then eventually watching television becomes a habit. 3% of the world, they like to meet people, make contacts, build relations. So they don't like to call up someone and make a contact or go out and talk about their business, but they do, because they know the secret formula of success. If they do what they don't like to do, they will reach there. But on the other hand, 93% of the world will never call anyone, will never call or take the step to build a relationship, and they will keep on doing that, and eventually not building relationships, not moving and making friends becomes a habit for the 97% of the world. So if you see from basic small things, habits makes you as a person. Today, whatever you are, it is just because of your habits. If you have good habits, perfect. But if you have bad habits, then how can you convert and turn it around to a good habit? Because habits is something which will take you and which will make you or break you. So friends, adapt new habits. Commit yourself that yes, I will start with small things. I will eat an apple every day. I will go for exercise. I will eat healthy. I will read books, important books, philosophical books, stories, people successful stories, books about people like Abdul Kalam. So I've been reading quite a few books of lately for about Einstein, Abdul Kalam, then the richest man of America, Donald Trump. A lot of books I've been reading. I never used to read. I didn't like reading. And the first, when I got this secret, I pushed myself because I knew that even if I read, I will not understand. Then again, I pushed myself, and the first set of books, I actually did not understand anything. But then I started reading again and again, and now I have a very good library. I have a very good library. So, the habit, you need to keep doing the thing that you do not like to do, and you need to do that thing that 97% of the world do not like to do. So friends, आपको वो करना है जो आपको करना अच्छा लगता. Alright, take care and see you, bye.